Here I have 3 pictures that I started a while ago and I never finished them. So now is the time to finish them. Now I've been and got some inspiration from the trees. Now you don't need a lot of this Schminkel Rich Pale Gold. A little goes a long way, but don't add too much water to it at first. Little and often, but it's amazing stuff. Now there's a blue thing on the desk. It's an old sock. It used to belong to my husband, but he's now mine. It's awesome for dabbing the excess water off your brush, and so far he hasn't even missed it. Now I'm just going along, I'm just defining or redefining some of these lines, adding bits of highlights and lowlights, and just seeing where the mood takes me. Painting is a great hobby if you want to distract your mind from anything really. So why not give it a go? You never know, you might like it. So here's the results. I hope you enjoyed it, I hope it inspired you, and go get some paints out, go get a pencil out, do some drawing, or just go look at a tree, give it a hug and tell it thank you. Can you believe he's not popped this balloon? He's never popped a balloon in his life. He loves balloons. Can you blame him? Well, as we say up north, ta-ra for now. Come back soon. I've got a mad craft project on the go. I'll see you there. And don't forget, keep on crafting.